Welcome to World Side Classical Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this very special motorcycle, being a Triumph Bonneville T120 TT Special from 1966. Built for the American market, a rare sight in the UK, this vehicle is fully road registered in the UK and has a UK V5 registration document. Subject to a full restoration by a renowned Triumph specialist, this bike is as close to concours as you could only imagine. It has been inspected by a Triumph specialist and they agree that the detail and the correctness of this for the year is second to none. As we walk around the bike, you'll soon get the picture how special it is. Registered for the UK, but only for light. There are no lights on the vehicle, so you can only use it in daylight. As we come down to the closer up, you'll see the Alaskan white tank with the grenadier red stripes and the bronze pinstriping is absolutely immaculate. When you run your fingers over it, you can't feel the lines as they change colour. Underneath the tank also, the attention to detail around the taps there, underneath the tank is very, very special indeed. Okay, it's a matching frame and engine number there. Engine number there, DU31480, is also etched into the frame as well. Very correct for the year. This bike for 1966 still retains, quite unusually, its single piece airbox there. The mudguards, aluminium, razor edged, which appear in every feature on the internet that you can find. Looking around the rims, the wheels and the spokes and everything, you can see the attention to detail. The inside of the hub. This bike is very special. The black frame and black work just absolutely gleams. The side panel there, the oil tank. Coming down, even the hose clips, all the nuts, nice washers, they haven't cracked the paint or anything. Again, the detail of the airbox there coming under the tank. Top of the pipes there, the breather pipes, everything is just absolutely immaculate. It has had an engine rebuilt, using new parts, original size, upright pistons, new barrel, again paintwork on the barrel and everything. If you look at the details of the tubes there and everything, onto the top of the engine, the exhausts. Everything is just absolutely immaculate. Polished engine casing, the gearbox casings there. Gearbox has been rebuilt with new bearings. The exhaust has had some baffles fitted, which can be taken out. Obviously it's straight through. Looking underneath the engine there, you'll notice no oil leaks. And again, same detail underneath as what's on top. Coming up the tank again, seats in perfect condition. Up to the headstock, just a rev counter. Front mudguard, again aluminium, razor edged. Coming down the forks, onto the hub, the brake hub, and the wheel again, just all in perfect condition. It'll be very difficult to restore a bike to this standard never mind for this sort of money. We hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to come and have a look at it and see how good it is for yourself, or interested in it, give us a call on 01507 606 725, or visit the website roadsideclassics.co.uk.